Hi, for those just tuning in, my name is Arun Dorasamy. I'm from Kita Bantu Kita and also from Gerak Independent. I'm here to report about the Vernacular School being unconstitutional issue here. Today, the date is 5th of October. We just finished the hearing on the withdrawal. So what happened? Khairul Azam, all of us know. For those who do not know, this is a gentleman that says Constitution do not have spellings of Indian and Chinese, and he spit on. That is a gentleman. So he filed a case that vernacular school are unconstitutional. Okay, so of course he filed a case against the Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia and Kerajaan Malaysia. So there's about 14 other interveners, including myself and various NGOs, including Dongzong, Maju Bahasa Cina, Agama Mani, and a lot of the Indian NGOs, all of us. So we've been fighting this case since January. So what happened? In recent days, Khairul Azam decided to withdraw himself from the case. He's citing that there are 4 other cases of a similar nature were there, so he wanted to withdraw. So, but we the interveners, the defendants, are very adamant not to let him go. Okay, this is a constitutional issue. It's a very important issue. He made, he used this issue for public stunt and stuff like that. So we decided not to let him go. So he have filed an objection. He have filed a withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal from the case, but we did not let him go. So that there were hearing today, and we put our grounds. It is an oral judgment, oral argument today. So we put reasons why he should not. His withdrawal should not be allowed. And this is very important, because we do not want anybody out there, okay, to use the vernacular school for their own agenda, for their political agenda, for their personal vendetta and all the stuff. Vernacular schools, I hear, is part of the right of the Indians and Chinese, and mother tongue education is part of a Malaysian fabric. We are not negotiating. We will not relent from that stand. So today the case was heard before Datuk Kamal, okay, level 4 Mahkamah Kuasa Khas 1 ya, and so Datuk Bastian Vandergaard and Mr. Gunasilan and other lawyers were all present. So the decision for whether to allow withdrawal or not will be given on the 21st of October. Okay, obviously, okay, and we know that we are fighting an uphill battle. Nothing comes easy, and nothing stops until we stop trying. So it is our right, and we should go and make sure that everyone and anyone that using vernacular school, okay, for their political or their personal interests, must be brought before the law, and we have to use the law to the fullest extent without any reservation. That is that. So I'm here on behalf of, for those, a lot of people would have seen me in Gabungan Sekat. Okay, I'm the secretary of Gabungan Sekat, and also from Agama Mani and Kita Bantu Kita, and now the the partner of Gerak Independent, along with our ever able Maju group. So one thing on behalf of Gerak Independent, Kita Bantu Kita and Maju, I can say that vernacular school is here to stay. Okay, we will take no compromise, no negotiation on that stand. Thank you. Reporting live from Kuala Lumpur, Jalan Duta High Court, and this is Arun Dorasamy. All right, please share this information that we will stand by our mother tongue education. And Malaysia is beautiful because our diversity. Diversity has always been our strength, not our weakness. And no one should be using our diversity to extend their personal racist and religious agenda like people like Khairul Azam. Okay, and this is a good lesson for everybody to learn. That's the reason we will not let him. And all the other 4 cases, the next case will be in Kota Baru. This is a case filed by Ikatan Guru Muslim Kelantan that calling vernacular school is unconstitutional, and they're seeking a declaration. And even in that case, we have all the guys are intervening. Okay, the case will be on 25th of October, and there are all the 3 other cases, and the AGC, the attorney chambers have decided to consolidate all the cases. So more updates on this front. We all can give you one word: we should not ever let anybody else to infringe rights of any other people. Say the rights of the special rights of Malays and the legitimate rights of all people. That's what makes Malaysia beautiful, and we all must stand together. The same mind, the great minds think alike. All right, Gerak Independent. Thank you.